Hi, I'm Ivan. I'm the homeowner, and we have contracted Billy for the renovation works. And we're very satisfied with his work, as you can see from the videoing.
Very happy to work with Mr. Ivan with the design and the whole journey we work together to complete home which you can see here today.
We have left more or less the full renovation with Billy. So whatever you see is designed and planned by him, right down to the contractors. All the personnel was engaged by him. So we just sat back and relax a little bit. The favorite part, I think, is as you come in from the front door and you can see the spaciousness, the simple straight lines, the outlines, and very pleased with it. And also the bedrooms, because it's small, but the way it's designed, there's still room to move around. And the cabinets, because the emphasis is on storage, and the cabinets are big enough with lights on the inside, making things very easy and convenient. The start to the end, it's Billy. So we don't have to run around and design things or tell him what it is. Just say what you want and we do. And if there are any small rectifications, he sees to them and get it done properly. So the outcome's very good. I think on both sides we're pretty pleased.
Honestly, the whole renovation, as what Ivan has mentioned, leave it to me. I'm very appreciative of them, with his family, giving us the full trust to AGC Design, and me and my team as well, of course. So I have a very bigger responsibility, in fact, taking over the entire designing, the choosing of colors, and choosing of materials, and the layout preparation. So I understand their needs and their requirements. So this whole journey is quite smooth, I should say. Of course, big decisions like colors and theme I need to go through with them, and they are very fine with the outcome.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.